इडियम महोत्सव गोंयांत परते हाडल्यार महसूल येतलो म्हण पर्यटन मंत्र्याच्या विधानाचेर काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे राजनो डी मेलो हांणी टिका केल्या. इडियम महोत्सव आयोजक गोंय सरकाराक टॅक्स आनी हेर रुपांतलो कर दिवपाचे आसात अशेंय तांणी मुखार म्हणलां. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
2 to 3 days ago, the tourism minister made a statement to say that he wants the EDM festivals back in Goa, and in particularly the earlier organizers. आता वो statement जी केला ताणें, he has betrayed his ignorance of the facts of this whole case of EDM festivals. ताणें सांगलां की हे हाडूंक जाय कित्याक स्टेटाचो रेवेन्यू इनक्रीज जावंक जाय. कसलो रेवेन्यू म्हाका समजूंक ना अजुनी. हांव चॅलेंज द टुरिजम मिनिस्टर टू प्लेस बिफोर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा द एंटायर अर्निंग्स ऑफ द स्टेट ever since EDM festivals have come. On the contrary, the EDM organizers have to owe the state crores of rupees in forms of taxes, security arrangements, various. Now what revenue is he talking about? Now because, and biggest joke was that the earlier government, though dues were pending, they were issuing the licenses. I was forced to file a writ petition in the Bombay High Court, Panaji Bench, wherein on 17 December 2015, writ petition number 24 of 2014. 2014 writ petition, judgment on 17 December 2015, the court directed in the judgment to recover the dues as expeditiously as possible. This judgment was on 17 November. Yet without recovering the fees, recovering the dues, recovering the taxes, recovering the police bandobast charges, security arrangement charges, without all this, for 2015 December permission was granted. Despite all these facts, despite court judgment, and the tourism minister talking of increasing the revenue. Whose revenue is a question mark now? What revenue? They seem to be totally confused.